Hello dear students, I welcome all of you to this online platform. Last lecture we have discussed about the water microbiology, what are the different types and how the different treatment processes are followed to carry out the proper treatment of either drinking water or wastewater. Now it is nothing but a second unit of your syllabus. It is about the soil microbiology. So in this we have discussed about the what are the different aspects or what are the definition of microbiology. We have to learn about the importance of soil microbiology. What are the different activities which are carried out in the soil, different microorganisms which are present in the soil, in different biological cycles like carbon cycle, sulfur cycle, which are carried out. We have to discuss in this unit. Apart from that, we have to discuss about the different microbiological or with respect to plant microplant and different type of positive negative type of association which are present in the environment or they are carried out with respect to the growth of microorganisms or throughout their life cycle. These associations are carried out. So let's start with the basic introductory part of your syllabus, that is soil microbiology. So first we will discuss about what is the definition of soil microbiology. So it is nothing but we have to discuss about what is microbiology. So and we have to separately discuss about the specific environment or habitat which is present in the soil and how these different microbes which are present in the soil they carry out some beneficial activities or some harmful activities, whether they are beneficial or harmful with respect to the human being or apart from different crop plant. We have to discuss in the soil microbiology. So soil has been defined as it is nothing but the region of earth crust where geology and biology meets. So it is nothing but a definition of, we can say, soil. So it is nothing but a region of earth crust पृथ्वीवरचा असावा ज्या ठिकाणी जिओलॉजी and biology meets. Geology is nothing but a non-living substance, we can say, or it is nothing but in language we can say it is nothing but a surface which is present on the earth. And here we are discussing about the live forms of microorganisms which are present or can observe inside the soil. So it is nothing but about the definition of soil. And with respect to microbiology, we are discussing about the different types of microorganisms which are present in the soil. That's why it is nothing but a soil microbiology. It is the product of series of biogeochemical events. Mineral soil, it is nothing but a product of physical, chemical and biological processes on the rock. So when we talk about the soil or how the soil can be formed, so it is nothing but a product of biogeochemical event which are normally carried out in the environment. Apart from that, when we talk about the mineral soil, so we can see it is nothing but a soil and which is rich in the mineral. So it is nothing but a product of, or we can say mineral soil, it is nothing but a product of physical, chemical and biological processes which are carried out in the soil. So these are nothing with respect to the composition of soil. We can differentiate soil with respect to mineral soil or agricultural soil. So in this regard, so these are nothing but the basic concept. Soil from different environment has its different characteristics. It is the outermost loose material on the earth's surface. When we talk about the soil, everywhere we can find the soil. But when we discuss about the microbiological aspect, soil from the agricultural soil, when we examine in the microbiological lab, we can form different types of microflora. They sometimes may be harmful or sometimes they are not harmful for the human being. But as we collect the soil from the hospital or hospital's yard, we can see different types of microorganisms which are present in the soil, as that environment contains different pathogenic microorganisms. As we collect the soil from your garden, it also shows different characteristics and different types of microflora which is present in the garden soil. Apart from that, household soil or at the place with respect to the region or place, soil composition and soil properties can vary. So in this regard, in the environment, from everywhere we can collect soil and each soil shows its characteristics features. with respect to their chemical properties, or we can see with respect to the microbiological aspect. So most important part of soil is nothing but a agricultural soil, as whole world requirement for food and other essential nutrients. As we can talk about the our country, that is nothing but a agricultural, or our main product or main business is nothing but a agriculture, or all the processes or all the business are dependent upon the agricultural product. So here we want to discuss about the agricultural soil, all the processes which are carried out in the market, or whole market is dependent upon the agricultural product. So we want to discuss about the agricultural soil. So agricultural soil is the region which support the plant life by providing mechanical support and nutrient required for the growth. So when we talk about the agricultural soil, here we want to discuss about the different cycles or biological processes which are carried out in the agricultural soils. Either they are beneficial for the crop plants, or they can be helpful for the increase the fertility of the agricultural soil. As all the processes which are carried out in the agricultural soil are very important.